everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Good Dye Young semi-permanent hair dye. I bought this for my daughters. They all wanted fun little pops of color in their hair for the summertime. This was absolutely perfect. Works so well. They all have different color ranges in their hair. They're kind of strawberry blonde, and then my oldest daughter has kind of darker brown hair. We weren't sure if it was gonna work or show up, and it did, and it looked beautiful. The bottle itself, so this is what it looks like. It's a 2-ounce bottle, and I still have some left, and I did all 3 of my girls' hair. They wanted it all over the ends of their hair. So the fact that I could do all 3 and they still have some left is amazing. Super easy to use. All you do is you will put it on the ends of their hair, or if you want to do streaks, wherever you're doing it. I used a hair dye brush to brush it on, but you could also use your fingers if you have gloves on and just rub it through the areas that you want. I like to section it out so it's not getting everywhere. And then you just let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you want a more vibrant, dark color, you can let it sit for longer. And then you just rinse it with cool water. It lasts for about 15 to 24 washes, so for quite a while. I think for the summertime, it's absolutely perfect. It's not gonna damage your hair at all. It is made with essential oils. It's non-toxic. There's no toxic chemicals whatsoever. It is a cream formula, so some of them are mousse. I've used other ones that are like a mousse formula or like more of a liquidy formula. This one's really thick and nice, so it stays where you're putting it, and it just saturates so well. They've had it for a couple weeks now. It still looks beautiful. They absolutely love it. There's a bunch of different colors. They all just wanted pink. We might try blue or something next time. It's so fun, so easy, especially for kids. It's not permanent. You don't have to worry about it being there forever, but it just gives them something fun to have during the summertime. So if you're looking for something like this, maybe just a little pop of color in your hair, I think that this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.